What's up, buddy? Good night. I will continue my vlog for day 3. Now, I just lying on my bed, but I don't want to spill clearly. I just wanna make a vlog done. But I'm really confused. I'm really confused. I wanna speak about what? I'm really confused. I think mm, just flow. Yeah. Don't think about my topic. We just flow to speak in here. Okay, okay. I'm so corny. Like, why Indonesian don't know about some language like corny or Digimon? Digimon? Digimon is look like when Indonesia say alive, alive. Okay, let's change my play. Okay. Um, change my place. This is my middle. Now I will show you. This is my glass, my brother glass. I think I just wanna wear this. Waiting for me. Okay, I just wear my glass. No, I mean my brother glass. Okay, today I wanna spill the unique things from my brother because I'm so really confused to speak about what is that, and I just wanna spill these things. Waiting for me. Okay, let's spill these things. You know, my brother is gamer like me, and the one thing is this is. Let me show you. This is packing. Packing, guys. He have so a lot collection for this packing. Look at he have two. You don't wanna how do how to wear these things? Okay, I wanna spill for you. And first, I just wanna open first. Okay, look at wow. This is by Andra. When you don't have powder, you can wear this packing for your finger and playing game. You know that. This is guys. Let me spill for you. What? Wait. This is. No. Wait. Oh my gosh, it's so hard to open this. Open this. Maybe. Oh my gosh, it's nothing. Maybe let I can show for you today. What else from my brother? This is so cute. This the pen is not miniature. Look at this. Oh my gosh, so cute.
Aku suka banget botol yang ada segelnya. Jadi aman dari debu.
Hello, my name is Coco. I'm so bored. This is Coco, and he wanna accompany me to making a vlog. So cute, right? This is a yellow and black, like Minion, but different. What else? Okay, maybe enough. This is ring, my brother ring. It's a really cool. But little cute. Okay.
Kita lagi ngerayain apa? Aku udah kerjaan PR. Ya, setengahnya sih. Selalu ada alasan untuk menikmati kategori yang
Oh my gosh. This is he have some sticker like that.
bisa dong.
The stickers say hello for you guys. Hello. What you see? You see? Okay. Hello. The most unique from this stick is packing. I think I'm not wear packing. I just wear powder, baby powder to application for my finger, and let's playing game together of the a long time. Yeah. Why my brother so like to buy something unique like that? But it's so bad because this broke. I can wear this again. I don't know, but it's so very expensive. It's not cheap. Well, my brother. It's not over. Wow, my cat come to me again. Miko come again. See? Come here. Come here. I think he don't want to lose with me because he look like so confused in my front up. I think so. Oh my gosh, it's so really hard to. I think my fingers hard. Already hard.
Emerald Shampoo Special Edition BT21. Ada kemasan sasetnya cuma 500. Lagi promo. Beli 12 ekstra 1. Rambut salap aja jadi pede. Emerald Shampoo Special Edition BT21 kemasan saset. What's your hand up? Minum susu dulu. SGM Explore lebih banyak nutrisinya dengan zat besi 3 kali, pH 100% lebih banyak dan minyak ikan tuna.
Wow, I think I'm really cool in this camera. Look at my face.
Emerald Shampoo Special Edition BT21. Ada kemasan sasetnya cuma 500. Lagi promo. Beli 12 ekstra 1.
No smile.
Aja jadi pede.
I don't want.
Shampoo Special Edition BT21 kemasan saset. What's your hand up? Minum terus baby agar selalu bersinar.
No. Just jokes. I'm always happy when I make this vlog. I'm really enjoy. I know that. Let's enjoy to see my vlog. This is drink. What is that? What is that, bro? Wow, it's like lady playing flash dish. Oh, I know. This is from gameplay. Look like PlayStation, right? You know PlayStation, guys? Yeah. I think this is for safe memory. Yeah, because last year we have PlayStation. I'm always like to playing game like San Andreas, Downhill. What else? Like Resident Evil. Yeah, but I'm really scared to. This is a packing. You know, I forget to spell for you. When you see this and just open, look it. Wow, two for two finger. You like to spill these things or no? Just say. If you wanna comment, you can comment in my video. If you don't want, just left this my video. Okay, what else, guys? See, literally, literally, so like closes. Wear glass or no? I think no. I think better when I don't wear glass. But up to you. What is your type of me? Look at the duck sticker. So cute, right? So cute. I think I'm really like unique things like just make this and have so many toys. Just when I child, I really like to playing toys like doll, but not like doll in every people have. It's like Spider-Man. Why prepare like Spider-Man? I'm not like the things of girls. I prefer like Batman, Spider-Man, Marvel, Iron Man, everything for Marvel. The, the most I like is Transformer. Ah, okay. I think enough.